Hi, welcome to Zimbrick European. In this video today, we'll be walking you through our express service and how that express service works and the services that they offer. Hi, welcome to Zimbrick European. My name is Tim. I'm the new express service advisor here. Our express service is here to offer you your basic maintenance needs that you may need on your vehicle. We do offer a lounge here that you can wait in while we work on your vehicle. Typical wait time is hour to 2 hours, depending on the service that you're having done. Our certified technicians are capable of handling everything from oil changes to air filters, tire rotations, brake inspections, mounting and balancing of new tires, safety inspections. They do provide you with a multi-point inspection that thoroughly outlines the condition of your vehicle and addresses any future or immediate needs your vehicle may have. Scheduling for the express service is very easy. You can contact me via phone, email, or we do also offer online scheduling as well. And we do also offer drive-in service for minor things such as fluid top-offs, air pressure checks, light bulbs. You don't need to schedule for that. We have technicians readily available to handle those needs as well. And currently, we also are offering a $160 rebate on select Ford tires for your vehicle, good through the end of this month of July.